Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your trades using a super simple tool. Let's say you want to enter a buy trade when two moving averages cross over. For example, when the 10-day moving average crosses above the 20-day. Or maybe you want to enter a sell trade when the 10-day crosses below the 20-day. Normally, you'd have to sit and wait around for that crossover to happen. And let's be honest, that's a total time waster. But that's where this tool comes in. With it, you don't have to wait anymore. You can just set it up, and it'll automate everything for you. It doesn't matter which moving averages you want to use. You can easily change them. Plus, you can set your stop loss and take profit levels exactly how you want. Here's how it works. First, download the tool. I'll drop the link in the description, and copy it into the right folder on your platform. Then just refresh your platform, drag and drop the bot onto the chart. Now go to the Inputs tab. Here's where you can tweak all the settings. First option, your lot size. Second and third, take profit and stop loss. After that, you'll find the settings for the fast and slow moving averages. These are the ones it uses for the crossover signal. It's super easy to set up, and you'll save a ton of time by letting the bot do all the work. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description. That's it for this video. If you've got any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.